Hello, today we're going to look at this lesson here. We're going to be practicing subtraction on a number line. So again, if you have your packet handy, I would like you to find this worksheet. I'm going to help you with the first two and then you'll complete the rest on your own. So I've written on my whiteboard behind me this first number line and this first equation here, and our job is to figure out what happens if we start with this whole number and then we take away this many, because that little line there is our subtraction symbol. That's where we say minus. 5 minus 2. So we start with 5 and we take 2 away and we are left with 3. So we would write 3 here, but I want to show you how we would do that using the number line and how you would show that work on the number line. So watch my board. Okay, I'm going to put this one up. Here you can see my number line that I have written out for you. We have 5 minus 2. We're going to start with our whole number, and here you can see that our whole number is 5. So I'm going to put just a little dot on the 5. That tells me where I'm starting. Then I'm going to go backwards, because when we subtract, our number is decreasing. It's getting smaller because we're taking some away. So it's kind of just like counting down instead of counting on. I know that I'm going to count down 2 because it says minus or take away 2. So I'm on 5 and I'm just going to do some jumps back. 1, 2. And if I start on 5 and I jump back 1, 2, I land on the number 3, just like we discovered when we showed it on our fingers. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. I'm going to say that again and I want you to say it with me. Ready? 5 minus 2 equals 3. That means that if you have 5 and you take away 2, it's the same number as 3. 5 take away 2 is the same as 3. Okay? Now we're going to check out our next equation. I want you to think about it in your brain. Where do I want to start? What's my whole number that I need to start on? I'm going to start on number 8. Is that what you were thinking? I put my little dot on number 8, so I know to start there. And then I'm going to take away 2 again. So I'm going to jump back 2 spaces. So start on that 8, bounce back 1, 2. And that has me landing on 6. So now I know that if I have a whole number of 8 and I take away 2, I take a part of 2, the part that is left is 6. Say it with me. 8 minus 2 equals 6. All right, we can double check that by drawing some objects and then crossing out 2 like you do when you do story problems. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now I need to take away 2. So this would be like if we were thinking there were 8 cookies on the plate and I ate 2 cookies, how many cookies are left? We want to take away 2, right? 8 minus 2. When I do that, I see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 8 minus 2 equals 6. It's the same thing as 6. Okay? When you work on that worksheet, I would like you to practice subtraction equations by finding your starting number. Like here, you're going to start on 8 again. But this time, when you go to your number 8, you're going to jump back 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. And you'll land on 5. Finish the rest of them just like that. And when you're done, please have your family take a picture of this worksheet and you send it to me. After you send it to me, then I will know that you've done it and that you know how.